Let's talk about the 6 best remote side hustles for 50 plus in 2025, because if you're anything like me, you've probably realized something. That job that you're in, you're just a number. I've seen many people in their 50s be the first ones to go when the economy takes a dip because companies can pay somebody younger half the wage and boom, you're out. And let's be honest, if your retirement savings looked anything like mine did, you might have had that, we're still stupid short for retirement. And that's when I knew I needed to figure out something else. So let me share with you these 6 remote side hustles that you can start right now while you're working, which is exactly what I did, even if you have zero experience, zero knowledge about how to do it. And the number 6 one that I'm going to share is personally the one that I recommend for beginners to get started with. So stick around, my friend, because this could change your life. Hey, if we haven't met yet, I'm Wendy, a 56-year-old Canadian grandma of 3. And I help fellow midlifers to say goodbye to the 9-to-5 grind, hello to freedom, flip-flops, and campfires by building a flexible online income that they can take anywhere. This weekend is a long weekend here in Canada. I'm here at my trailer enjoying the camping life. And this weekend alone, I've made over 4,200 US dollars. And I'm a Canadian, so that's like a bazillion, all from what I'm going to share with you in this video. So stick around, let's unpack this, let's go. Now, just a couple years ago, I was still working full-time, behind on our retirement savings, and honestly feeling totally stuck. I had tried a bunch of things online, failed more times than I cared to count, but then I found a system that actually worked for me. Now I've made close to $1 million. I can't even comprehend that. Everything I'm going to share with you in this video, I personally use and I recommend. So I'm here to help you do the same. So if you've ever felt like you're starting too late or you're just tech isn't your thing, you are exactly who I made this video for. So let's go. Before we jump into the list, here's something that I want you to think about. A lot of side hustle videos out there focus on how much money you can make. And don't get me wrong, income matters, of course it does. But if you hate what you're doing, you won't stick with it long enough to see results. So instead, I want you to ask yourself these 3 questions. What do I love doing? What am I naturally good at? And what would people actually pay for? And you see that little sweet spot in the middle? That's where your side hustle gold lives. So as I go through these next 6 ideas, keep those 3 questions in mind and pay attention to the one that lights a fire in you, okay? Sound good? All right, now let's start with the one that completely changed the game for me, and that's YouTube. Now let's talk about income, because yes, YouTube can absolutely become a serious income stream for you. Once your channel grows to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch time hours, you become eligible for the YouTube Partner Program. Now that means YouTube will start placing ads on your videos and they'll actually pay you a percentage of that revenue. So in other words, you're getting paid just for showing up and offering value. The more helpful your content is, the more people watch and the more ad revenue rolls in. So let me give you a real life example. I still have a relatively small channel, but here's what YouTube is currently paying me just for uploading videos to this platform. Like over $5,500 in the last 90 days. Now that's $1,850 per month. Would that make a difference in your life? Would that give you extra fun money for retirement? And I'm doing this all from my phone, my laptop, and wherever I happen to be. Sometimes, just like now, I'm here camping. This kind of income gives you freedom, flexibility, and profitability. Now that's something that's so important when you're heading into retirement and want to work less, but you still want to earn money. If you've ever thought, I don't know what I'd even talk about, start with what you love. Are you passionate about gardening, DIY projects, healthy living, faith, budgeting, or even how to survive raising grandkids in your 50s? Whatever it is, there's someone out there searching for exactly that. Your skills, your wisdom, and your voice. That is your superpower. And YouTube allows you to show up as yourself, build trust, and serve your people. And no, you don't need to be techie. The most important thing is to start with what you already enjoy and what you know. That's what makes your content magnetic and sustainable. So what would you talk about on your YouTube channel? Drop your ideas in the comments. I'd seriously love to hear about it. And if you're ready to get started, I actually have a free YouTube Success Starter Kit that'll walk you through the first steps you need to take and start planning your channel today. You can grab that in the link below. It's simple, it's beginner friendly, and it's exactly the steps that I took. Another side hustle idea is affiliate marketing. It's money by recommending what you already use. Now, this one's kind of underrated, but it's seriously one of the smartest and simplest ways to start making money online, especially if you're just starting out and you don't want to create your own product. Affiliate marketing is basically you getting paid to share something that you already love. That's it. You're recommending a product or a service, and when someone buys it through your unique link, you earn a commission. Let's say you're already posting content on your YouTube channel, or you have an Instagram account, or you're even just chatting in a Facebook group with friends. You talk about your favorite air fryer, your Bible study app, your walking shoes, or your budgeting spreadsheet. Now imagine, every time someone asks, "Where did you get that?" you send them a link that pays you when they buy it. And boom, that's affiliate marketing. So let's talk about what can you promote. There's Amazon products like kitchen tools, beauty finds, gadgets, home decor. There's digital products like online courses, templates, or softwares that you love. Apps and tools like Canva, TubeBuddy, System.io, even Bible study apps. Programs you've taken that have helped you and you know will help others also. Almost every company these days has an affiliate program. Just Google the name of the product that you love and just see if they have an affiliate program. So why is this so perfect for midlifers and beginners? Because there's no product creation, no shipping, no customer service. You're just sharing the things that work for you and helping others by pointing them in the right direction. And yes, affiliate links work beautifully with YouTube as well, especially if you're creating videos or tutorials around topics that you're passionate about. Now, have you ever bought something because someone online recommended it? If so, congrats. You've already been a part of affiliate marketing. Now it's your turn to be on the earning side of that equation. You can also create and sell a digital product. Turn what you know into income that pays you on repeat. Now this one right here is gold for anyone who's ever said, "I wish I could earn money doing something meaningful without trading all my time for it." Digital products are things you create once and you sell over and over again. Like, think about journals, printables, mini courses, templates, checklists, guides, or even devotionals. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to be a few steps ahead of somebody who wants to learn, organize, or accomplish what you've already figured out. Not sure what to create? Ask yourself, have you created a family budget that actually works? Do you have a morning routine that keeps you grounded in your faith? Have you found a system to plan your meals that saves time and money? Are you known for a creative Bible study notes, backyard garden layout, or grandkid activity binder? These are digital product ideas that you can turn that wisdom into a planner, a workbook, a cheat sheet, and sell it online. Why I love this side hustle is it's low cost to start. There's no shipping or inventory. You create it once and sell it 100+ times over and over again. You're sharing your life lessons, which means it's personal and it's purposeful. Platforms like System.io make it super simple to upload and start selling your digital product, even if you don't consider yourself tech savvy. I personally use System.io, and here's the best part. It's free for up to 1,000 email subscribers. So you can grab your free account using the link that I have in the description below. And inside System.io, you can upload your digital product, connect your payment platforms, build your automated funnel, aka your freedom machine. And if all that sounds like a foreign language right now, don't worry. I walk you through each step inside my Freedom Builders Club. You'll learn how to create your own digital product, set up your automation, and get it selling 24/7, even while you're chasing your grandkids or camping. We'd love to have you join us. You can check it out in the description below and just see if you're interested. And if you already have a YouTube channel, a newsletter, or a social media audience, promoting what you've created becomes even easier. It all works together to build your freedom-based income. Okay, so what is something that people always ask you for help with? Is it budgeting, Bible study, decorating on a dime? That's a clue to your first product idea. And if you're not sure how to package up your knowledge into a product, don't worry. Coming up in number 6, I'm going to share the exact shortcut that I used that gives you a ready-made digital product that you can sell immediately without having to create one from scratch. But before we get to that, let's talk about another great way is to create a membership. Now, I use a platform called School, and it is the most cost-effective way to create a membership out there. Unlike Facebook groups, where, Facebook could shut you down for no reason at all. Sadly, I've seen it happen. When you use a platform called School, you can get started for as low as $9 a month. So when you create a membership, let's talk about, say you love knitting, or my sister-in-law loves cross-stitching, and you have people join your community that love those things. Inside that community, you can create this membership as a monthly reoccurring where they pay a monthly fee. And every month you drop a new pattern, you drop new trainings that help people learn. Then you are on there teaching them how to do knitting or how to do cross-stitching. You get the idea. And every month people are joining your community. They're paying a monthly renewable fee to be in that community, all for this value of you teaching what you already know. And that is the power of community. People get to know you, they get to love what you're doing, and they want to stay in there for the value and the tools and the patterns and ideas that you're bringing them. Okay, the next one that you can do is coaching. Get paid to guide others using the life experience that you already have. We didn't get to be 50 without having life experiences. Now listen, I know a lot of people over 50 feel like they're starting over, but in reality, you've got decades of wisdom and life experience and lessons that someone out there is praying for right now. That's what coaching is all about. Helping someone else get from point A to point B using what you already have lived through, what you've learned, or what you've mastered. You don't need to have a fancy certification to be a coach. You just need a heart to help and clear focus on who you're going to serve. Here are some examples of coaching niches that are super valuable and really in demand. Budgeting and financial wellness, faith-based life coaching, helping people find purpose, healing, or confidence through scripture, wellness coaching, nutrition, mindset, energy, balance, grief, divorce, life transition support. Your hard story might be the thing that gives someone else hope. Digital business coaching. If you figured out how to sell something online, you can coach others on that path. And that's exactly what I do. Inside my Freedom Builders Club, I do group coaching every single week where I help people learn how to build income online using digital marketing. Now, I've made over 1 million online myself, which is crazy. I can't even believe it. So I'm not teaching fluff. I'm sharing the exact steps that worked for me. And I walk my students through it step by step so they can build their own flexible income too, because my heart is to help more people actually enjoy retirement, not just survive it. You can coach one-on-one, host group sessions, or even turn your coaching into a course or a membership. Can you say hello to reoccurring income? If you're thinking, but I don't feel like an expert, let me tell you and remind you that you don't have to be 10 steps ahead. You only need to be 1 step ahead of the person that you're helping. I've created income using every single one of these side hustles, but none of them would have been possible without what I'm about to share with you next. This is the one that gave me the clarity, the tools, and the belief that I could actually do this. And if you're just starting out, then you're going to want to lean in and pay attention to this. So ELearning and master resale rights. You didn't get to this stage in your life without learning something, right? Maybe you went to college, you took a course, or learned a skill that helped you get a job. Well, now you can do the same thing online, and it's called ELearning. The best part, you can actually earn while you're learning. When I started, I wanted a system that was beginner friendly, something that would actually teach me everything I needed to know about earning online. And that's exactly what I found in this daily pay blueprint. Like, it taught me social media, email marketing, digital products, affiliate marketing, sales automation, and so much more. It was so good for my 55-year-old brain. But unlike traditional education, where the school keeps all the money, this program gave me the master resale rights. So that means that I could resell this course that I was learning from and keep 100% of the profit and earn income while I was building my skills. So I got full training, a customizable automated system, 4 complete digital products that I could resell, the tools that I use to build all of my additional income streams. Everything that I taught you in this video, it all started with this program. It's the reason that I was able to build a flexible, automated online business in my 50s. So if you're ready to stop guessing and finally follow a real plan, then you're going to want to grab my Freedom Formula Blueprint below, and I'll show you exactly how it works, how you can get started, and how this could be the turning point that you've been praying for, just like it was for me. So you get that link in the description. And just so you know, this is the side hustle that I recommend 100% of the time for beginners. Why? Because it has everything you need to get started. It gives you the base, the foundation that you'll build all your future income streams from. So you definitely do not need to be a tech wizard at all. I'm not techie. You don't need to have a fancy degree, and you're definitely not too old or too late to build something new. What you do need is a starting point, a simple, proven path that helps you learn while you earn. That's exactly what I found, and that's what I want for you too. So if even one of these side hustles sparked something in you today, then don't just watch this video and walk away. Take the first step. Grab my Freedom Formula blueprint below, and I'll show you exactly how to build that kind of an income that gives you freedom, flexibility, and peace of mind heading into your retirement. You were made for more, my friend, and your time is now. So now that you know the 6 best remote side hustles to make money online this year, you might be wanting to learn how I used these to actually make $650K in my first year. And I retired at 55 with no degree and no experience. But how do you do that? It all starts by watching this video here next. And when you pair that with what I just taught you in this video, it's going to be so much more powerful. I'll see you in the next video, my friend.